Hi guys, I'm Banana Man and today I'm gonna show you how to make a cookie pop-up using local storage. So, as you have already seen, I have already set up a button and a form of text just to show how it works. Okay, and this is the code and this is my style. Now I will add the script and explain it after I'm done typing. Okay, so what this code does is basically, if it does not find an item in the local storage, so basically if you go in here and then in here, if it does not find this pop state item that we are gonna implement in a second, then the class name of the body is cookie consent. In a second as well, I will show why I did this and what it does. Now I will add this notice function. Okay, now I've added this notice function. What this does is add this pop state item, and then it takes this text, this cookie element, and it sets the display style to none. So basically it disappears once the button is clicked. Now we go over to our style, and now I will show you what to do with this cookie consent that I added. Okay, so the first thing we are gonna want to do is add just the cookie text in here. And I set the display to none purposefully because okay, so as you can see, this style block just looks for an element called cookie consent, and inside of that element called cookie consent, it looks for, well, an element called cookie. This element cookie consent in some way we create with this line. So script setup, basically it runs every time a page is being loaded or refreshed. So basically script setup just runs every time a page is refreshed or loaded, and this script just looks if there is no item, or well, if there actually is an item called pop state. If there isn't, then the body is then the body gets a class name. If there isn't, then the body gets a class name cookie consent. And if this class name gets applied to the body, then, as you can see, the cookie will be shown. Otherwise, it stays disabled. Okay, so let's test now what we have coded. As you can see, there is no item called pop state yet. Now if we click on this button, the text in the top left corner disappears, and there's a new item now called pop state. Now let's refresh the page. And as you can see, the text does not appear due to the fact that we have set it to off, and if we look at the body, there is no class name. So this style does not get applied. Okay guys, and that's it for this tutorial. Leave a like, leave a comment if you want to see more of this type of stuff, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.